Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or you are having this type issue that this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes on iPhone, so let's see how can you easily fix that error. First of all, you just have to go back and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes it might be that your connection is not stable, so you can face these type issues. You have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times, and then wait for your phone until it connects to internet, and then you just have to go back and retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, what you have to do, you have to open up your settings, then go for general, and from here you have to just scroll down and look for the option of language and region, and from here you have to make sure that you have selected the regions respective to your debit card or credit card. So once you have selected your region, you just have to go back and here you have to open up this date and time settings, and you have to make sure that your date and time is set automatically. And once you have enabled this setting, your date and time will automatically fixed. And once you have fixed your date and time, you just have to go back and try again. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to go to your VPN, and you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. Then go back and here you have to open up your Apple account, and you have to make sure that you haven't any subscription here, so go for subscription. Or if you have any subscription, you have to unsubscribe them. And once you have that, you just have to simply go back and retry. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to simply open up your Apple account, and from here you have to tap on the sign out option, and you have to sign out your account. Once you have signed out, you have to re-log in your account. So once you have re-login, it almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, you have to open up your browser, and here you have to simply search for Apple Sport. Once we have searched for Apple Sport, here you have to open the first website, and from here you just have to scroll down and look for support option. Once you get any support option from here, you just have to simply tap on that, and then you have to get official help from your iTunes or Apple account. Once you have got the official help from on your Apple account, so it almost fix your issue. So in this way you can easily fix if you are having an issue that this payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.